Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making access simple and safe. Remove as much standing water as you can. Use a 1/2 bucket or cup so the chemical reaches the clog. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection and lay towels to protect surfaces. Unscrew or lift the drain cover. If needed, use a screwdriver. Make sure the drain seam is visible so you can aim. Finally, have the drain-it bottle and a plunger within arm's reach before you pour. You pour a measured 1/2 cup of drain-it directly into the drain. Pour slowly so the liquid contacts the clog rather than running off. Once poured, wait 5 to 10 minutes. This dwell time lets the product dissolve hair and grease. During that time, don't run nearby faucets. After the wait, use a plunger with firm, controlled pumps to dislodge loosened material. If resistance remains, insert a drain snake and twist while pulling to extract. You finish by flushing the line with 1 to 2 liters of hot water to rinse away residue. Pour gradually and watch the flow for 30 to 60 seconds. Once the line runs clear, reinstall the drain cover and test with moderate running water for about 2 minutes to confirm full clearance. If flow is still slow, repeat the drain-it process one more time or use a longer mechanical snake. Troubleshooting tip. If you smell strong chemicals or see no improvement, stop and ventilate, then contact a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.